Can you ride a unicycle? Probably not. Most people I know can't get very far on a unicycle. Can you ride a bicycle? I bet you could. Most people I know can ride a bike for miles. That's the problem with admissions counseling and college planning today, is that the unicycle approach is what's commonly applied. I'll help you find and get into a college, but the other wheel is missing. How do we pay for it? Here's another unicycle. I'll help you start a college savings plan, maybe even a 529 plan. But how do I help you find a college? Well, go talk to your guidance counselor or just go in state where it's less expensive. One wheel is only half of the strategy, and half of a strategy doesn't mean you'll get half of the result. Oftentimes, it means you'll get none of the result. This leads to a delayed or no graduation and excess student loan debt. We are the bicycle. With wheel number 1, we help you get in and fit into the right colleges. This is how we are different. With wheel number 2, we show you how to pay for it using the college's money first instead of just your own. And furthermore, having 2 unicycles is not the same as having a bicycle. So to make the college journey, do you want to use a unicycle or would you rather just use a bicycle?